to do this style a while ago, but I ended up not doing it because I was just like, I'll just save it for my birthday. You know, my birthday is coming. Actually, today is the 9th, so tomorrow will be my birthday, the 10th. This probably, I'm only gonna probably keep this maybe 3 days max. I don't know, it just depends on how I feel. I'm quick to take stuff down and just throw in a wig. So oh, this hair is from Klaiyi hair. This is just a regular body wave texture. I was actually thinking about dyeing this jet black because my hair is jet black. I dyed it jet black, but this hair is actually dark enough, and it doesn't, I mean, it has a little brown in it, but it's not just noticeable. It's still like that dark black. I believe I have the links 18, 16, 14, or it may be 2018, 16. I'm not sure, but it's somewhere in the middle of that. I had this hair for a little minute, so I actually forgot what links this is. I just know it's Brazilian body wave and it's from Klaiyi hair. So let's jump right in. This is freshly washed and blow dried hair. I go ahead and section off the sides to where I want my half up, half down style. And what I do is, I normally don't section my hair off with comb. Sometimes I just use my fingers. And then I did like a little U shape, or not even a U shape, like a V shape, and it ended up making a Y shape once I parted in the middle, which you will actually see. Hopefully by looking at it you can understand. But I got this method from Tiara J on YouTube, and I was just like, oh, this is a good way for me to not have any leave out. So I'm just tying my hair behind, and then I go in with some gel and mold everything down. So before I actually did mold down, I went in with this shea oil, and I kind of like moisturized, not really moisturized, but kind of oiled my tips of my hair so it wouldn't be just dry, you know, it's get a little shine to it. And I actually really like this stuff on my hair. And then I just go ahead and braid it, braid the ponytail, and then I will go ahead and mold down and then pin the ponytail up. So I didn't use a cap for my hair. What I did was use free spray to harden my foundation, and when your hair is hard and dry, it keeps from your hair being damaged by the glue and being yanked out. So I just pin my ponytail up and just dry everything that way. And yes, I did put free spray on my braid as well. And now for the gluing process, which is a basic quick weave. All you do is just measure, and then once you measure, you cut the track and then apply some glue and apply your track and then blow dry. And it's just repetitive. And also when you get closer up to the ponytail part, to keep it from being so lumpy, kind of pull the track a little tighter and lay it and then blow dry it. Sometimes you can use free spray to go ahead and make it a little harder and then blow dry. But I didn't do it every single track. I did it every so often. Now I tried to show this, but basically I'm just curving the track a little upward I'm just not laying it straight across at the beginning or at the end. I only go straight across in the back, and then when I come back around to the other side, I kind of tilt the track upward, and that gives that invisible part, I guess, look. So when you pull the hair back, you don't see any tracks. So this is how much I had left, and then I end up showing you like me going around in a U shape and curving the tracks at the beginning and the end, and then I just laid them straight across into smaller pieces all the way until I reached the end. So once you've reached this point, this is where you should have the smallest track, and that small track, that's where your ponytail is going to sit and cover up that last track. So when you fold the other hair, the tracks back on the sides, you don't see it. So I'm just taking my hair out and I'm gonna brush it up. Just a little side note, I did know that I had a chunky braid in the back, so probably some of you are noticing like, oh, that braid is too big. It's okay when you have like curly hair. Like I had body wave hair, but I was planning on wearing this hair curly, not bone straight, so that lump in the back wouldn't be as noticeable. So I'm taking my Got2b glue and my gel, and also that sheet oil again, and I'll apply it to my hair and basically mold down the front of my hair. So at this point, I was getting very frustrated because like part of the track that I had on top was trying to get into the ponytail, and I kept trying to make sure I wasn't grabbing it, but I just ended up doing it anyway. So I got frustrated and ended up just like ripping that top track out because I guess it was too close and it was just getting in the ponytail, and it was already late at night and I was getting frustrated like, oh my gosh, I don't even want to do the style no more. So I just ended up removing that and continued to mold down my hair. These wrapping strips or wrapping paper, I don't know what these are, I forgot what they're called, but they came in handy when it comes to molding down. So I just tied this down on my head and just end up working with my ponytail. And this is, I don't think I ripped out the track just yet. I think it was a point where I did get frustrated and ripped it out, but after I did that, I went in and started braiding my ponytail. And I think there's a clip in here where I showed that I had it in a ball and I was going to wrap the track. Here's the clip where I was going to wrap the track around, but I ended up not doing that. I ended up having a long braid and wrap the tracks around that way like I did in my previous video where I showed how I did my ponytails on natural hair. So I didn't insert that clip because my camera died, so it just ended up cutting off. So this is the ending results. My camera died in the process of me, I think the last thing you saw was my little bun on top. I did not use well, I did not wrap the hair around that bun. I ended up taking my little braid out of the bun and wrapping the bundles around the bun as I did in my previous video where I did my ponytail. So I was like, no, because the bundle was kind of shorter, so I didn't want it to stop just right here, you know. I wanted to at least be a little longer. So like, it's like down here, this is the ponytail, and basically I threw some wand curls in it and teased it. So this is how it came out. Oh, I did put some freeze spray in the hair to keep its curl, you know, the wand curls. And overall, it did come out pretty good. I was getting frustrated, and I was just like, okay, my camera died, and I really feel bad, but I'll probably end up doing this style again. My hair up here is not really laying like I wanted to. It's just right in here. I don't know if it's because I was fooling around with it with trying to do this ponytail at the top, but it's okay. I actually will show you the back. So this is the side. Like, my hair is like a long braid in there, and I wrapped it around.